Amazfit has become a go-to name for those wanting smartwatches that deliver premium features without the premium price tag. In 2023, the Amazfit Balance stood out as a sleek, feature-packed wearable that offered a ton of value for its cost. Now, in 2025, the Amazfit Balance 2 has hit the scene, promising bigger upgrades, tougher hardware, and more smart features. But how much better is it really? And is it worth the extra cash? Let's dive into what's changed and help you decide which one deserves your wrist. Both models sport a gorgeous 1.5-inch AMOLED display with a sharp 480 by 480 resolution. Expect punchy colors, deep blacks, and excellent clarity on either watch. But the Balance 2 takes things further with two standout improvements. First, the screen is now protected by sapphire crystal glass, a huge upgrade over the original's tempered glass. That means far better scratch resistance, ideal if you lead an active lifestyle or just tend to be rough on your gear. Second, brightness has been bumped to 2000 nits on the Balance 2. The original was already bright enough for most conditions, but this upgrade makes the Balance 2 much easier to read under intense sunlight, a real win for outdoor workouts. Visually, both watches stick to a familiar, modern round face with an aluminum alloy frame and a comfortable fiber-reinforced back. They're sleek, stylish, and light on the wrist. Where things start to separate is in ruggedness. The Balance 2 doubles the water resistance rating from 5 ATM to 10 ATM and adds support for freediving and scuba diving up to 45 meters. That's a big leap for water sports fans. It's also rated for military-grade durability, built to handle more extreme conditions. The Balance 2 is a bit heavier too, weighing in at around 42 grams compared to the original's 35 grams, but it's a fair trade-off for the added toughness. Both watches come equipped with Amazfit's BioTracker PPG sensors for tracking your heart rate, SpO2, stress, and more. But the Balance 2 uses the latest BioTracker 6.0, which improves tracking accuracy across the board. Interestingly, while the original Balance includes a BIA body composition sensor, Amazfit has removed that from the Balance 2. So if measuring body fat and muscle mass directly on your wrist is important to you, that might be something to consider. However, the Balance 2 introduces an advanced mental and physical readiness score designed to give you a more holistic view of your health and recovery. You still get Zepp Coach AI on both models for personalized workout plans, but the Balance 2 adds specialized modes like high rocks training, enhanced golf tracking with 40,000 plus course maps and swing analysis, and even dedicated diving features. Another new addition coming soon is the BioCharge Score, Amazfit's take on Garmin's body battery. It blends data from your sleep, recovery, and stress levels to give you a real-time energy reading. Both watches offer dual-band GPS and support for multiple satellite systems, but the Balance 2 edges ahead again. It connects to 6 satellite positioning systems, improving accuracy in difficult environments like forests or urban areas. The biggest GPS upgrade? Offline maps on the Balance 2. No need to fiddle with GPX files anymore. You can download maps straight to the watch for on-the-go navigation in the city or on the trail. Under the hood, the Balance 2 runs Zepp OS 5.0, bringing smoother performance and the new Zepp Flow AI assistant, which offers voice-controlled interactions that feel more natural. The original Balance uses an earlier version of the OS without those enhancements. Both models support Bluetooth calls, Amazon Alexa, NFC payments via Zepp Pay, and can pair with external sensors. But the Balance 2 jumps from 2.2 gigabytes to 32 gigabytes of storage, making it a great option for storing music and maps directly on your watch. Battery life has always been a highlight for Amazfit, and the Balance 2 continues that trend in style. The original Balance already impressed with up to 14 days of typical use. The Balance 2 extends that to 21 days, a full extra week. Under heavy use, you're looking at 10 days versus 7, and for continuous GPS tracking, the Balance 2 stretches it to 33 hours compared to the Balance's 26. If you're the type to forget your charger or just hate charging, the Balance 2 makes life easier. Price is where things might make or break your decision. Amazfit Balance $200 and Amazfit Balance 2 $300. That $100 bump gets you more accurate health tracking, tougher build quality, offline maps, significantly more storage, and that gorgeous sapphire display. And if you're waiting for something even higher end, Amazfit is rumored to be working on a Balance 2 XT edition with a titanium body, though details are still under wraps. If you're after durability, advanced fitness features, longer battery life, and a super bright sapphire display, the Amazfit Balance 2 is a strong contender and well worth the extra investment for serious users. On the other hand, if your needs are more casual and your budget a little tighter, the original Amazfit Balance still holds its own. It delivers excellent tracking, great design, and solid smart features for an unbeatable price. Which one is calling your name? The everyday value of the Balance or the premium push of the Balance 2? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that subscribe button for more tech content like this. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you in the next one.